Hi everyone, my name is Egypt Worthy. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I currently work as a manager for City Year Philadelphia, which is an educational nonprofit organization. If you've seen young folks walking around in khaki pants, black pants, or red jackets that say AmeriCorps, City of Philadelphia, that's us. I'm one of many that gets to manage those amazing group of individuals who've given up 11 months of their time to help support students here in Philly in academics, as well as in developing their social emotional learning skills. So that's my very quick spiel of what I do. It's a lot more that goes into that. However, what I've enjoyed so much so far throughout the previous courses, surprisingly, has been the group projects. I'm not really into group projects. I like to do a lot of my work by myself. But I've been very fortunate with the group of people that I've been paired up with. The interpersonal processes class was probably my favorite by far because being a manager, you have to manage a group of people, you have to work with others. And so just learning the different stages and learning about, you know, verbal, nonverbal communication has been very helpful for me in the position that I'm in, as well as working with my peers. And what I'm looking forward to in this class, just learning more about policies, learning more about why people have placed these policies, and learning about how it impacts us as social workers, as well as just impacting us, period, as human beings. It's something I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to working on the first discussion post. I already know the population I'm going to work with. So I'm very excited to be here. I'm very excited to learn more and looking forward to working with all of you. Bye.